Number 2. There you go mga ka-share. Go. At least. There you go. Alright. Alright, so we're gonna make a dried fish out of this fish and this one. So I caught a lot today, so plenty. Look at that. Plenty of so let me know what you call this in Guam, this type of fish, but I heard it tastes good. It's the biggest one, the bully of the reef. I caught it, so let's do it. Let's clean this fish. So I'm just gonna scale it and then get it ready for dried fish. So. Let's get that pointy part. Pointy part first. All the thing that will poke me. So for this one, we're just gonna take up the scale. And then that one should be good. So when you catch this, the scale is already, some of the scale is getting off already, so it's not that hard to scale this fish. It's very big size needle fish, half big fish. It's called half big fish because their beak is half. But this one is good for kilowin too. But you want to make kilowin, I just decided to very fresh. Very fresh. Right. The main event, the hardest part. Oh, this is the hardest part. I'll leave that tail because it's crunchy. Crunchy part. Fertilizer. Scale ng fish. Part. Dili lang sa mga fish. So now dili lang sa mga fish. So it will look like that when it's done. When it's done, and then 40 more to go. Something. Next. We don't need the beak. Only the head. Main event. Palpat. Delito fresh. It looks like that when it's done.
Sige na, magamit mong gapon. Lahi ra gyud ang bag ko at saka daan ba?
Nice that.
Na video naka GoPro. Tin-aw man akong pagtanaw ganina karon kay labo. 12 minutes na sa akong phone.
Dali man na mga 12 minutes kay imo man lang pain. Bawa ng hook. Dali man basta-basta ba. Now it's drying time. Drying.
So we have si tawag ka ng drying and
Dryer so that this one is enclosed so that the flies will not gonna come in. We're not gonna reach it. The last layer. Sure, butang mo yung asin eh. Asin. There.
so we have like first, second, and third one.
Finish.
So drying time.
Tamang-tama lang yung dakpan ako. It's just enough for my
It's enough.
dryer. This will be good. Wait for 4 days. And we'll see final product. Make sure that one is close. Ready? Bullet.
I've tried it.
Yan. Very pretty. Dry na dry. So these are catch from 4 days ago. We make dried fish out of it, and this one is gonna really taste good. It's a half-baked fish and kichu. So this is the kichu. First time I'm gonna try this, but it looks good. Smell good too.
Smell what?
It smell good.
It smells good.
Nice. Harvesting our lemon from the backyard. Tulo lang han. Just pour. Get our sausawan. First time harvesting my tomato. Finally grew one. There. Nice one, huh? na. Yeah. We good to go.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
First time tried it.
First time.
Tastes good. Ketchup. Dried fish.
So what's this?
Kamote tops with tomatoes and vegetable from the garden. Tomatoes and sili, all from the backyard, except for the onion. Onion I don't grow in my never grow onion. Okra from the backyard too. Tastes good.
The dried fish.
Fresh vegetable from the garden. Eating all of them. If you like it, like, share, and subscribe. Ciao.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.